Still ducking from the one time.
Hey, yo, that look like one time.
Pocket rocket for a nigga tryna take mine. Tell the labels that it's pay time. I think I'm worth a couple M's now. Show me the money, no Jerry Maguire.
YouTube, what's happening? It is your guy Hitch. This sneaker, the foams, are some of the greatest sneakers ever created, so it's only right that I provide you a lacing tutorial for them. Now, for those of you that are familiar with my lacing tutorials and you're not subscribed to this channel yet, stop the video right now. Please go and hit that subscribe button immediately. And for any of you that this is the first time you've ever seen any of my lacing tutorials, I will provide you a list to the playlist that is right behind me to all of those videos that I have before the end of this video. So with no further ado, let's get to it.
We get put over by the cops, you keep my weapon concealed when we fuck.
Step one is always take your laces out completely, so you're starting from scratch and you know the laces are going to be even. Now what we want to do is take the tips of one lace and go through the loop down at the bottom of the toe box and then enter the lace eyelets from the outside going in.
If she with it, then we boning in the tub. That's a rubber dub. Got that booty jumping like it's double dutch. Married to the money, I can't fall in love. Chase another bag, one is not enough.
Once you've entered both lace eyelets, now you just want to even your laces out.
Shade niggas muscle tough. It's like every day a homicide. Bullets through the window like piranha size. Fuck a 9 to 5 in a suit and tie. We just wake up in this winning time.
Once you have that completed, you're now going to go up to lace eyelet number 7, entering each lace eyelet from the inside out.
My dog still getting euthanized. Still ducking from the one time. Hey, yo, that look like one time. Pocket rocket for a nigga tryna take mine. Tell the labels that it's pay time.
Something you want to keep in mind is that even though foams are bulky, they conform to your foot. So for me personally, I like to wear my sneakers a bit loose. So what you want to do as you're working your way up to lace eyelet number 7 is try to keep them loose to your preference and your liking, but also trying to make sure that the oval laces are neat so you're not looking crazy.
Tell the labels that it's pay time. I think I'm worth a couple M's now. Show me the money, no Jerry Maguire. Rapper for hire, neighborhood murder supplier.
Now that you're at lace eyelet number 7, you're gonna skip 8 and go to 9. That is it. From here, you can adjust your laces to make sure they're all neat and to whatever your preference is and how loose you do want to wear your sneakers. Lacing up a pair of foams is pretty simple and easy, so I hope you did enjoy the video. The link up above is for a playlist of all the tutorials I've ever done. You can see some of those videos behind me on the screen. Now, if there are a pair of kicks that you want a lacing tutorial for and it's not on that playlist, hit the comments, let me know, and I'll do my best to work on it. The next sneaker I will be doing a lacing tutorial for will be these Jordan Jumpman Jacks. So if you don't want to miss that video, make sure your bell notification is turned on. I'm out.
A couple M's now. Show me the money, no Jerry Maguire. Rapper for hire, neighborhood murder supplier. I been through that fire, but I flow like Poseidon. My squad is out beta, call me Marley Bin Laden. Bitch, I'm a Martian. Bitch, I'm a goblin. Pain feels so cold. Rock chinchilla in August. I'm Steve 3, Cola 16, Austin. My spit monster, type of nigga laughing a gauntlet. I light up a rocket and I fill up on beer. Your baby mama watch my stories, she be wishing she there. Can't afford no Ferragamo, highly favored to give. All black forgotten hoodie with some fresh night gas. My new chick meaner than Cruella DeVille. Slap a bitch for the thrill. Godzilla in hills. We get put over by the cops. She keep my weapon concealed. When we fuck, tell me she love me. I'm the best in the field. Unlock my G, now I'm hater proof. Secure the bag, that's my hater noose. Ooh, they watch what that beta do. Middle finger high, fuck a hater truth. Pine box casket, a hater coupe. Poof, poof. Pour a few shots, tell her chug a lug. Chug a lug, chug a lug. Roll another.